going on, guys? Today I'm doing a review on the Sony 35mm F1.8 prime lens. This is for the Sony E-mount. I'm going to be using it on the Sony a6000. I love the packaging here. Nice orange color. Here is the top. Here's all around. I will list the price on screen. I believe retail is $449 at Best Buy. Price match at for $433 though with Amazon. So it comes with a lens hood and has optical steady shot, circular aperture. Pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and crack this open. I'm at a nearby park with Mr. LePay here. Hey, thanks for joining me today. We're going to be doing some test shots. I'm going to try out doing some nature shots with it and try to do some portraits or something with it. This is the lighting conditions right now. We got a lot of cloud. It's like really cloudy out, and we got some rain on the way, so the lighting should be pretty decent. But let's go ahead and get this open for you guys. Check it out, guys. Made it outside, got some nice lighting here. I'm gonna crack this open now. They made the unboxing relatively easy here. Very simple. There's not much in here, obviously, it's just the lens. Let's go ahead and crack that open. You alright? Stop! We're gonna set the box aside and get to the most important part, the lens. The lens, included with lens hood. 35mm F1.8. Guys, lens hood on. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on, see how it looks. So obviously it's 35mm, so it's already zoomed in. This is the kit lens I was just using. Guys, check out the quality here. I got it on F1.8. Look at that. Got some nice blur in the back. Wow, looks good. We're gonna adjust it. You can see the change in blur. You need to get another model in. That's gonna conclude this video. I try to keep the unboxings pretty short and sweet. Add a couple photos here and there. Just make them very simple. Get right to the point. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you later.